Thank you all for coming out tonight.
So fucking funny.
I'm making a video on you. Let's learn this song, Slush Puppy. I'm just going to talk about the song. I'm not going to teach it because it's kind of an advanced song. And so it's not for beginners. This lesson is not for beginners. All right. There's two guitars. I'm basing this off the live recording. So one guitar is playing B7, just a B7 chord. All right, and the other guitar is playing this chord. It's kind of a funky chord. I think it's like a diminished or augmented chord, but at the 7, you have your ring finger and pinky on the E and the D. Then on the A string, you have your index, that's at the 6th fret. And then this finger's on the 6th fret too. I'll put a diagram up. But these are being used as substitutes for the B7. This sounds very much like a B7. So when you could play B7, and then it's just going a B7, so it starts B7, and then it goes B flat 7. Okay, so if we were to play it up here, it would go. Okay, but the one guitar is playing it in this position, so you go like this. Then it goes to C sharp, minor 7, and then back to B. So that's E flat minor 7. Walk down chromatically to C sharp minor 7. Yeah, and then I think it goes A7. Back to B7. Okay, the key of the song is E. That's why we can play the E in the A7. And that's why, C sharp and E flat are minor. And then, there's this one part where that is, this is like a augmented chord. Like you could call it like a F augmented. Then if you lower the root, it becomes major 7. This is E major 7. Interestingly, you can play it on the 1st fret. It's because of the freaky nature of augmented chords. Okay, that's my lesson. Thanks. Bye.